Are you trying to get pregnant? Here are 6 incredible and expert-approved tips for getting pregnant fast. Once you've made that big decision to start a family, you probably don't want to wait. If you're hoping to get baby on board as soon as possible, one of the best ways to get pregnant fast is to put a little planning into your baby making. Since getting pregnant is all about timing, you need to figure out the ideal moment for that egg to meet the winning sperm. If your timing is off, you'll have missed your chance to get pregnant for that cycle. Don't worry though, we've got helpful tips on how to get pregnant fast, and even better, we promise to make the process informative and fun. Read on and get one step closer to that positive pregnancy test. For some women, conceiving can be as easy as tossing out their contraception, whether they're working on their first baby or their fourth. For others, reaching the goal of fertilization becomes a nightly chore, a mating dance that revolves around ovulation kits, specific sexual positions, and, more and more commonly, a succession of fertility tests to help pinpoint possible problems. Like intro. Although Mother Nature has a hand in the timing, there are some things you can do, or not do, to help increase your chances of getting pregnant ASAP. So in this video I'll share 6 expert-approved tips for getting pregnant very fast, which may help you a lot for your conception. 6 incredible and expert-approved tips for getting pregnant fast. Number 1. Have regular, but not regimented, sex. As we all know, having sex is the most important thing. Although it helps to know when you're ovulating, just having sex every 2 days to 3 days will give you the best chance of conceiving. It may seem like a no-brainer, but given many couples' hectic schedules, it's easy to overlook this one. If you're not timing your cycles or you have irregular periods, you can cover your bases by having sex every other day, say fertility specialists. Number 2. Use an ovulation calculator. When you have an important project or goal, you might track it in a calendar, so it makes sense when you're planning one of the biggest projects of your life. Hello, baby? To do the same. An ovulation or fertility calculator or calendar can help you find the best time to try to get pregnant by figuring out the length of your cycle and the days of the month when you're most fertile. To use one, you just record the first day of your period, which is the first day of your menstrual cycle, for several months. Number 3. Step up sex before ovulation. As soon as you pick up a hormonal surge, have sex that day, plus the next 2 days. Pregnancy rates peak 2 days before ovulation, says Clarice Weinberg, PhD, Chief of Biostatistics at the National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences. Some experts speculate that's when cervical mucus is at its optimum for helping sperm travel to the egg and break down its shell-like coating. Sperm can live inside the uterus for 24 to 48 hours, which means there will be plenty on hand to greet the egg once ovulation starts. Number 4. Try fertility monitor. Another, albeit more expensive option, would be to use a fertility monitor, like the Clairview Easy Fertility Monitor, $200, plus $50 per pkg of 30 test sticks, which tracks not only the LH surge but estrogen as well, potentially identifying up to 6 of your most fertile days. This works best for women with cycles between 21 and 42 days long, and is not recommended for women who have recently been pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking hormonal birth control or fertility drugs. Instead, wait until you've had 2 full menstrual cycles without any of these factors that could affect your cycle. Number 5. Eat healthily. Food and fertility are linked. If you both stick to a healthy, balanced diet, you may be able to boost your chances of conceiving. Find out the best foods to eat for men and women who are trying for a baby. For both men and women, food and fertility are linked. Stick to a balanced diet to boost your chances of a healthy baby. Eat several servings of fruit, vegetables, whole grains, and calcium-rich foods such as yogurt, cheese, and milk every day. Not getting enough nutrients can affect your periods, making it difficult to predict when you ovulate. Number 6. Quit smoking. Smoking is known to reduce fertility in men and women. It's also dangerous for your baby if you're still smoking when you conceive. Nicotine is highly addictive, and the more you smoke, the more your brain will crave it. But it's not just about nicotine. You may have a whole range of psychological and social reasons for smoking. And the hand-to-mouth habit can also be difficult to break. Thanks for watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. We publish new videos every day, so don't forget to subscribe and share the video.